Hi everyone, I'm Pooja Kant and I'm here to talk about EFT Wellness Collective. It's a new initiative that my students and I have launched and it is live, so we're really excited about it. This platform aims at providing affordable EFT sessions to everyone and making EFT accessible to everyone, people from all walks of life. And as you know, EFT is emotional freedom techniques. It's also known as tapping. We are a team of 10 people and I am the guide and mentor for the EFT professionals on EFT Wellness Collective. We have 9 EFT professionals there who are providing affordable EFT sessions, and they are going to be helping you to release stress, anxiety, deal with adverse situations from the past, release traumatic childhood events, also work with limiting beliefs, remove blocks to performance, increase your self worth and self esteem, help you deal with the emotional contributors to physical pain, and a lot more. So you can approach these EFT practitioners by going to the EFT Wellness Collective website. You can go there and you can contact any of these practitioners and begin to take these affordable sessions. And there is a sliding scale system there, so it's going to be easy for you to choose a cost that really works for you. I'm a counseling psychologist and a certified EFT master trainer of trainers with EFT International. And to tell you a little bit about my journey, I came across EFT in 2003 and I thought that it was really weird. But once I tried it on myself and others, I was able to release all my skepticism and I started getting really good results with EFT. And now it's been nearly 18 years and I've been practicing EFT, providing one to one sessions to clients, as well as training EFT students to become certified EFT practitioners and EFT trainers with EFT International. So I'm really hoping to see you at the EFT Wellness Collective. And if you have any questions, feel free to message us on the EFT Wellness Collective Instagram page.